Hi everyone and welcome. So in this Shopify tutorial we're gonna learn about this. Okay everyone, so in this Shopify tutorial we're gonna learn how you can remove this link powered by Shopify from your store footer in 2019. Alright, so to do this just log into your backend, go down to online store, click on that and click on themes and go to your current theme. So in my case I have debut and click on actions, go to edit languages okay, so now search for powered like that, and now we see this one powered by Shopify. So to remove this link powered by Shopify in your store footer, we just gonna delete this text. We just gonna add a marker right here and click on space like that, and then just click on save. Let's go back and have a look. I'm gonna update. Okay, so now the powered by link is gone. Okay everyone, so this is how you can remove powered by Shopify from your store footer in 2019. I hope this helped. Okay everyone, so this is the end of this tutorial. I hope this helped. If you want, you can leave a comment below. You can subscribe to my channel right here. And also check out my latest video right here. So I hope you have an awesome day. Take care and bye.